You already created your first online store on Shopify, on WooCommerce, or on any platform, and you already set up your Google Merchant Center account, but you don't know how to create a Google Shopping campaign so you can get online sales on your online store. Hey everyone, this is Milian Beg here, and in this video I am going to share a step-by-step guide on how you can create your first shopping campaign on Google so you can start getting sales on your online store. So I am assuming that you already set up your Google Ads account and you already set up your Google Merchant Center account, because in this video I am just going to focus on creating an online shopping ad. If you don't know how to set up your Google Ads account in a professional way and how to create a Google Merchant Center with the approval, then you can let me know in the comment section box below. And also, if you have other kind of business, for example, you have a local business, you have a travel agency, a real estate business, or any kind of service-based business, a lead generation business, again, you can ask me if you want me to create a video on that topic as well. So let's move to my computer screen and let me show you a step-by-step guide how you can create a professional shopping campaign with a less investment and high return on your investment. So I already logged into my Google Ads account. By the way, this is a completely new and fresh ad account, and I already set up my online store and I already have my Google Merchant Center account with 128 products that are ready to promote on Google Shopping. So when you will log in the very first time, you might have a different interface. For example, Google has another interface that is called Compact, and this one is advanced interface, so you can switch. So here I already switched, and now I am in expert mode. So first of all, you have to click on this blue button that is saying new campaign. So let's start, and when you will click here on this button, you will see this interface. Here you can see there are many ways that you can run your ad, but for this video we are going to focus on product sales. So I will click on this sales button. Then here we have I already set up 2 conversions on my website. I just want to measure the conversion on my website when somebody purchases something on my website. So I already set up my purchases, my purchase conversion on my website. If you don't know how to set up, you can let me know in the comment section box below. I will create another video on this topic as well, because this is a complete topic how you can set up conversion and tags on your website. So I just want to spend money when somebody purchases something on my website, so I would remove this conversion and I just want to keep only purchases. Now I will click on continue, and here you can see there are many types of campaign that you can run, but for now, for this video, we are just going to focus on shopping campaign. So I will click here on shopping, and then here you can see my Google Merchant Center account is already connected. Here you can see, and here you can see again it is Google is recommending me to choose Performance Max campaign, and there is another way that is called standard shopping campaign. So what is the difference between max performance campaign and a standard shopping campaign? The basic difference is when somebody is going to Google and searching for the product, and the product is showing on a Google, that is a standard shopping campaign. But you might seen some when you go to the Google and you search for something and then you left and you go to another website, then there you see the same product or the same categories of the product you see on that website from the Google. So that is a Google Max Performance campaign, because in that way Google is showing the products on other channels, on partner websites, so they can maximize our conversion. But I have seen it doesn't work well. It ruins all of our budget. So we have to be high intent. For that reason, I would click on this standard shopping campaign, then click on continue, and here we can name our campaign. I would recommend you to, whatever your goal of this campaign is, just name the campaign as the same. For example, for now, for this video, my goal is to get sales on my product, so I will say products sales campaign. Okay, so now we give a campaign name here. Now the next step is to set up our bidding and budget. So what is a bidding? Here you will have by default these two options. If you haven't set up your Google conversion on your website, Google tag conversion, then you will have only this target ROS and minimum and maximize click. So this you will get by default. So if you set up already conversion on your website, you will see this option as well. So here you can let Google know, for example, if you want to do a CPC manually, you want to set up your budget manually, and you want to get 100% control of your campaign, you can click and choose this option. And if you want to get more clicks, you can choose this option, and here you can set up your maximum click bidding. For example, if one click is costing more than 5 dirham, then Google will stop showing your products. And if there is any product that requires less than 5 dirham for each click, then Google is going to show your product in front of the customer. So here you can limit it, or if you let the Google decide the bidding, then you can just leave this option unchecked. For now, I am going to choose manual CPC, and here is my daily budget, and then you have to choose this option by default, because this is the Google recommending. If you are a completely beginner, I would recommend you to just follow each and every step that I am doing, because if you will mess with all of these options, then you might not get a good return of your investment. So do whatever I am doing, just follow my steps. So here you can check mark this option if you have more good budget and you want to show your products on other search engines, for example YouTube as well. For now we have a very limited budget and we just want to be high intent as much as possible. For example, if somebody needs exactly our product, then we want to show our product. Otherwise, if somebody needs only information about that product, we do not want to show our product, because we are paying the Google to get sales. So I will uncheck this, and then here you have an option. You want to sell to all countries, you want to sell to specific country, or you want to sell to a specific location. For example, I want to sell only in Dubai, not the whole country. Then I can select here. Now Google is going to show my product only in Dubai region, or you can see here Dubai city, but we are going to sell for the whole country. So I will choose this option, United Arab Emirates. Then here is a end date. You can choose if you want to end this campaign on a specific date. For example, you want to end this campaign tomorrow, you can select here. Or if you want to just leave it running and you want to stop manually, then you can choose the none. Then we have here a group name. What is a group name? For your easy understand, I would tell you how you can understand this. For example, you are going to a hospital. The name outside of the hospital is a campaign name. Then here, if there are many rooms in a hospital, for example, there is a general queries room, optical room, there is a surgery room, there is an emergency room, then you can consider that ad group. So in one campaign you can have multiple ad groups, and under ad group you will see a product group. So in a room there are different sections. For example, there is one section for the medicines, there is one section for just checkup, there is one section for sitting. So you can consider product group as a section in a room. So you can just make a list. For example, the parent should be a campaign name, and the child should be the ad group name, and the sub child the subchild should be a product group. For now we are on the child, so here I would say all products, because I want to sell all products under this campaign. But we can create a multiple groups for each type of campaign. For example, if you have an online store where you are selling baby products and there are some adult products, then you can choose one particular ad group and you can select only child products, and then another ad group you can specifically choose only adult products. So let me just make it easy for you. For now I just want to make it coffee. So here is the maximum bid. I want to spend maximum 5 dirham for each click under this category. So let's create campaign, and now here you see our campaign is set up, and you can see here it is showing the green, little green badge here. Okay, so now if I click here, you can see here is an ad group. I click here on ad group, and when I click on ad group, you see here are all of the products that are linked with this ad group. Let me show you again for a simple. So this is our campaign. Here is the ad group. Okay, there is an ad group named coffee. Then if I click here on this ad group, you see here it's all products. So now I just want to select only coffee from my complete catalog. So I will click here on plus, and here I will search. If you cannot see the list like this and you did not set up your categories in your website, then you can select here. For example, if you have multiple brands, you can select brand. You want to specifically promote only brand, or if you have a item ID, you can select item ID, or product type, or channel. There are many things. So I want to select by category. So here is a category, and I want to sell product type, and here I will select coffee, and you can see here I have 53 products under coffee, and save without editing bid. Click here, and now you have to take a step here. Just this is everything else in all products. You have to exclude this. So now we are specifically promoting this ad group, and under this ad group we have only coffee. We are not selling all products, because sometime in your store you might have a products with a good potential, and you might have some products that never get sales or people don't need, or some seasonal products. So if you will select all the products in one campaign, then you might waste your budget and you will not get a good return of your investment. So now I just want to promote my coffee products only. I do not want to sell accessories. I do not want to promote coffee machines and some other products, because these are not my products. These we are selling from third parties, and we do not have a good margin on those products. So coffee is our own product, and we have a good margin in coffee. So I just want to sell coffee, and I want to promote only coffee. But for now, let's say I want to sell syrup as well. So what I will do here, I will click again here on my campaign. Then we have an ad group, and I will click here on plus button, and I will create an other group. It means I am going to build an other room in a hospital with the name of, let's say, syrup. I will say syrup, sauces, and puree. Okay, so in this group I am going to select 3 kind of products. One, we have a syrup, the flavored syrup. Then we have a sauce that is also flavored, and then we have a puree that is also called fruit for mix. So here I want to bid maximum 3 dirham for each sale. So I'm going to click on save. So you see here for coffee I made my maximum bidding 5 dirham, but for this syrup and for these 3 products I make maximum bidding of 3 dirham. So because I do not have enough margin in this product, that's why I just want to limited my ad spend on this group. So here you see now we have 2 ad groups. Again, I have to click on syrup sauce and this ad group. Then I will click again on this plus button, and here I will choose a related products. Let's say I want to, here is the smoothies, that is called Puree. Then we have flavored sauce. Then we have cocktail syrup. So these are the 3 products that I want to sell under this group. So now again you have to go to this all product option and exclude. So in this group we are just promoting these products only: cocktail syrup, flavored sauce, and smoothie. So on my online store I have total of 137 products. For the privacy reason, I do not want to show in this video, otherwise I can show. So just because of privacy I am not showing my online store, but I have different kind of categories and I have a different type of products on my online store. So here you see I have 2 groups. In one group I select only coffee, in other group I only select syrup, sauce, and smoothies, and I am bidding on a different price for each product. So now I will just leave it as it is, and after some time Google will start showing me the result, how many impressions I get, how much ad spend I have done, and how much clicks I get. If you want to see conversion, you can click here and you will see conversion here. So instead of clicks, you can see your conversion here on this box. So this is how you can create your shopping campaign in a professional way. So if you have other sort of business, for example, if you want to get calls from your customer, if you want to get online leads, or if you want your customer to fill a form for something else, you can let me know in the comment section box below. Just give me a complete detail, what kind of business do you have and what do you want. Or if you want me to create a live campaign for your business, you can contact me on my Instagram, and also I will leave a link here for my Telegram group. You can join my Telegram group and there you can DM me directly, and also you can leave your question in the group. I will try to answer as the best. So this is for now. If you find this video useful and helpful for you, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, you can leave the comments in the comment section box below, and you can follow me on my social media. See you in the next video. Allah Nigeban.